Hello. Hey guys, what's up? Listen, so thank you guys so much for the overwhelming response to the live class. I have so much people who are very excited to join the class tomorrow, and I am looking so forward to training you guys tomorrow as well. So I have a quick update for the people who are going to be joining the class from tomorrow onwards. I want to make sure that you guys are prepped for the class, and so I am going to be telling you what you need to do just ahead of the class, so that when we get to class tomorrow, we are going to be learning a whole ton of things, right? You're going to be exposed to. So if you haven't joined yet, by the way, here is the link below right here. I'm going to put it at the very top of this video for you to go to that link and sign up for the class. You need to sign up for this class because you need this class in your life. Okay, believe me. So it's going to be very hands-on. It's going to be very, very hands-on. It's going to be, you're going to learn things that you wouldn't ordinarily have a chance to learn. So to do that though, I need you to prepare for the class in certain ways. 4 tools that we're going to be using in the class. One of those tools is Figma. If you haven't used Figma in the past, you're going to learn it tomorrow. This is the design tool that a lot of UX designers are using, and you're likely to be encountering that in your real world jobs. So I want to expose you to some of the things in Figma. We're going to use Figma as the referring tool that we go to look at the designs, and then we're going to take those designs and be able to create our user stories as a part of the class, right? So I want you to sign up for Figma. You'll also need access to Jira. You're going to go and get access to Jira. Sign up with Jira. You'll also need to sign up with Miro. There's a link for Miro, and you'll also need to sign up with a tool called Mural. So we're going to be going through those 4 tools tomorrow and onwards. And we're going to be jumping into such an interesting project. It is a project for something that no longer exists. It used to be a tool that used to be used. It's no longer going to be using, but there's so much learning potential from that. So you're getting a real world project that was done and that had real impact for a while, right? So I want you guys to prepare for this class tomorrow by going to figma.com and signing up for Figma, going to jira.com and sign up for Jira, and then of course going to Miro.com and Mural.com. And those 4 tools is going to be what we're going to be working with for the most part of our class, and you're going to dive in as if you started the job and was just thrown in the middle of the sea. They just threw you in and say do stuff. Because I want you to get used to that feeling, right? I want you to get used to the feeling of I don't know where to start. And if I can get you used to that and work through that so you can understand, okay, when you jump in and you don't know where to start, this is what you do. And then you do this, and then you do that. And after that, you find yourself really understanding where you are. Would that be awesome or what? That's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So if you haven't signed up yet, chop. Gotta go, right? But if you have, really spend some time today. I'm sending all the emails right now to sign up for those apps so that when we get to class, we can just hit the ground running. Okay, we're gonna just do this. You guys are gonna leave with so much more knowledge than when you started. Okay, so let's get to it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.